Hello. Hello, hello, hello. What do we have today here? First I would like to know the data. I enter a quick buy on NASDAQ here, but I don't think it's gonna go higher. I think this 5 minutes is gonna go all the back downside. I already got out from the trade. Okay, that's looking interesting. So the data came actually very poor, not poor actually, as expected, not higher, not lower. To be honest, I'm more interested in gold than NASDAQ. I don't want to look at NASDAQ today for now, before market open. I would like to check what bond market thinks about the data today. Okay, that's an interesting day today on bond market. We are looking for a drop. We are looking for a drop, but how far we are moving on a bond market? This is a level on bond market where we may see a price coming back upside, but first we need a bit lower. So if the bond market is gonna go higher, let's say we are bearish today on bond market, but in case we are moving higher after that's interesting. We may see price go lower for these lows on the bond market for liquidity level. This means that if we have a bearish day today, the NASDAQ is gonna go higher, and we are looking for buys on NASDAQ, and also we are looking for buys on gold. I already entered buy on gold. I'd like to see a price move higher. Come on. I got kinda not so good trade, but let's see. I wanna see one. Amazing. Wow, what a move. Woo. Wow, what a spike. Amazing. I think I can already close my day. I just caught a buy on gold from down here. So I had 86 points, around 80 points trade. This was a very good scalp. I will wait for the price to settle, because now we have only people who don't know what they are doing. Gold definitely is bullish today. 100% is bullish. Is crazy bullish, I would say. I would say we're looking for a gold about 80 points or even higher. We may see some 3%, 4% move on gold today on a daily change. Let's go back to NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks very bullish. I would say today we are gonna have a great bullish day. We should look only for buys. Looks like market didn't took the liquidity out from the highs, so this means only one thing: we are moving there before market open or right at the market open, and you should be very careful with trading it because it's very choppy on the news days, and also is nothing lower to be taken. The liquidity was already taken, and I don't see anything what the algorithm to go for. Only one thing what I see probably is around 80-50 maximum what it can go lower, but after this I think only the buys, only to the upside. And this is kind of very bullish pattern on higher time frame here. If we put on a 1 hour, you may notice like a kind of cup, yeah, this kind of pattern, and gonna move higher. This is a very bullish pattern. It's crazy bullish, I would say, and especially because the highs was not taken, I think we are moving higher. This is gonna be a bullish 5-minute candle, but from my experience I'm gonna focus on gold. This 5-minute is gonna go higher. The only concern what I would be very careful is we are in a pre-market, yeah? We're in pre-market and we should not forget that. So, it was a great buy on gold and a great and amazing exit on gold. Okay. Okay, so we are moving lower on NASDAQ. Gold is also moving lower. I'll be very careful trading gold. I always know that the news is very tricky to trade. I was on right moment in a buy on gold, but I'm gonna be very careful from now on. By 3 o'clock gold may be very tricky to trade. 3 o'clock London time, so we still have 1 hour and 12 minutes. We should be very careful. Come on. Yep. Amazing. Gold is doing its own thing. Okay. This is a buy on gold, but I will not take for a long buy, I mean to hold it, because it's gonna come back inside. It's a good point to enter buy if you want to. It's a very good, probably I should do it for a scalp. Let's see, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I added a buy, but I may be wrong, I don't know. Yeah, it can go lower actually from here, and I just got in a buy where the price is gonna react lower. Let's see. In case it goes lower, I have a stop loss. Okay. Okay, so I have a stop loss of 14 points. I'm targeting 14 points. In case I'm wrong, but looks like probably I may be right. And yeah, I may be right. This was a 1 minute trade. Now we should see a spike. I'm thinking to put everything to break even. Okay, I am break even already. I may be stopped out, I don't know. Let's see, or I may add. Okay, I was stopped out, break even. But I made some money on it. I'm looking to re-enter buy. Okay. I just re-enter buy. That's it. Okay, so the price actually may go lower. Yeah, the price may go lower, but let's see. Okay. Come on. I want to see a big bullish 1 minute candle. This should be a big bullish candle, yes, exactly. I close half. Go higher, brother. If this candle is not gonna... Okay, amazing. Close another half. Close another half, everything break even. We may see price a bit to go higher, but let's see. To be honest, I am very good amount in profit by now. Crazy, I would say, very good. I got very heavy, not got very heavy, but I had 4 mini buys on this move to the upside. I clicked it because I saw a breakout trade, and why not take it? Because the reason, main reason for this trade was because first news, and the second was the high on the left. This is a daily high, and this type of trades usually spike very quickly. So yeah, from here you should be very careful with buys because of this week up here. We have a lot of selling pressure up here in this week, and we should not forget to be careful. The price definitely is going higher today, but I will not, so I would like to take even a short here. I took a small short only because I can afford it. So yeah. So I have I may be stopped out, I don't know. In case I am. Nothing wrong with that. But in case I'm not. And I can make around a lot. If I'm right, then this is gonna be an entry for about 20 points move to the downside, 200 points for a move to the downside from my entry. But I may be stopped out before we move to the downside. Okay, so it looks like let's wait. I'm gonna wait. Okay. If I'm right about the move, about the direction, then we are going lower for about, I would say, I don't know, let's put it to this fair value gap, what we have here. I may be wrong, actually, and I should get out, probably. Let's see. Because I think I may be wrong, but in case I am, I'm gonna give back. So I have a stop loss of 25 points right now from my entry, and probably be stopped out. I don't know, let's see. Yes, I'm gonna be stopped out, looks like. Yes, I was stopped out. Probably it's gonna go lower from here, or I don't know, but I'm not gonna retry to re-enter shorts. You should be very careful trading gold because it's very volatile, especially when you're in bad direction without a stop loss. And you should not over leverage yourself because gold allows it to have more leverage than NASDAQ. Okay, so now finally gold is gonna go bearish probably. Everything looks bullish. Even the closure on the 30 minutes is gonna be bullish. 1 hour, we have the 1 hour closure, and looks like we're moving to the upside, but I would like to see first the price to drop before it moves higher. We may see some rejection up here, But you should be very careful, because first we're moving to take the high before moving lower. And yeah, you should be very careful trading it. Again, I mean trading shorts, because we have the closure 1 hour in 45 seconds. Okay. So it looks like we have the breakout trades. Yes, we're gonna break to the upside first, and we should be very careful, because we are going to have a bullish. Okay. Yes, we're going to the upside. Come on, I got in a bad trade, to be honest. Amazing. Okay, I close it. I close it. I took a buy, but I'm gonna look for a short here. Okay, I took a short only because I think we can go lower first. Amazing short. I close half, and I'm gonna close the whole position because I made very good amount in profit. So from here, guys, is even a better trade. This is a crazy risk reward. If you want it, you can wait for a pullback and to take it for about 250 points trade. I don't think we're going higher from here right now, before market open. So if you want to look for shorts, then this is the best entry for a short. I'm gonna re-enter short. I added short down here because I think we are spiking lower to take out the stops from the left. People who enter buys, especially on a 5-minute candle, we have a lot of stops right below this. Let's see it. Okay, come on, drop lower, because I know you're gonna do it. So I enter for a 25 scalp points. Probably I close half. Amazing, I closed everything, because now we may see some rejection, and I'm very good amount in profit. I go to have some food, guys, to be able to stay longer today. I'm here, just go to eat something. Thank you very much, and I'll be in 15 minutes back before market opens. I'm already good amount in profit. To be honest, I don't have to trade anymore today, but I'm gonna be here for you and to take probably more trades. And yes, okay, let's see it. So, yes, this was an amazing trade, guys. And it is, actually. And I'm gonna take a short. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We should see a price drop very fast right now. I mean, very fast. A spike to the downside. I love this about gold. Gold does is gonna spike to the downside because we have liquidity on the level on the left side. And we may see some spike, but we may see also the next 1 minute to come to the upside, because I hope will not come to the upside. It may. Yes, as of course you can. Well, let's see. I hope the sellers are gonna dominate. But looks like not. I don't like it. I close the trade. It was a bad decision, but yeah. Wow, what a move! What a move! Move. So on the left we have imbalance, and we should be very careful. Okay. Okay, guys, we are looking at NASDAQ only to the upside. I don't think we are gonna see any move to the downside on NASDAQ, even at the market open. I would like to take a buy, to be honest, right now. I'm gonna stay here. Okay. Let's close it. Okay. So I closed, let's say, everything is done here. Now we're gonna focus on NASDAQ. This was a very good trade, I would say 200 points trade, as I said. Unfortunately, I didn't hold it, and now we may see a price go higher, but let's focus on NASDAQ, because NASDAQ is very good. It is very good for now. So we are moving only to the upside, guys, and I want to take a buy on NASDAQ here. I took a buy, and I want to take one more buy, to be honest, but I'm gonna wait. So I took a buy on NASDAQ here. Okay, only for a 30-40 point scalp. We should not forget about our stop losses, because the price may go lower and I may be wrong. Okay, let's see. I may look to add one more buy up here. Let's see. I may look to add So I'm 13-14 points in profit right now. We may see a spike because we yes, we break out. Okay, don't forget to close halves. I already did, because we have market open and we may see the price drop lower, but I don't think it's gonna drop lower. I think we are moving to the upside. I don't think we may see any pullbacks here. Even after this liquidity on the left was taken, I don't think we may see any pullbacks. Or I'm wrong, I don't know, let's see. But I think we're going higher. That's interesting. 1 minute. Okay. That's an interesting 1 minute. I want to take a buy even now, and probably I should take a buy. I got in a buy. Wow, I clicked once, but it got executed twice. So probably it's gonna drop, I don't know, let's see. But in case it's not, it may not. So I don't think we may see a drop, but I may be wrong. I don't know, let's see. And if I'm wrong, then I'm gonna get wrecked right at the market open. So I am biased, guys. If my heart beats now fast, yes it does, because I have almost 1 mini. I have 1 mini actually. But also don't forget about your stop losses, because we are moving higher. Amazing. Put everything to break even, and let's see, the price moved to the upside. I added one more buy. Let's go, motherfucker. Let's move up. Don't go lower. Don't go higher, brother. We may drop lower, but in case it happens, then I'm gonna close everything. But I don't think we will. The maximum, the low, what we can go for this 5-minute low, and probably we will go. Okay, I'm still holding. Okay. Wow, actually we can go lower than 5-minute low. I should probably close it. Yes, we can go lower than 5-minute low, and I just saw it. Yes, we can go lower. Give some very good amount back, but yeah. Let's see it. Remember, manage your risk, guys. And let's go higher. Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Okay, I'm positioning myself for buys. We may go a bit lower, but let's see how the price is gonna move. Okay. Amazing. And go higher. We may see the price going lower, but let's see. We still have 2.5 minutes in this 5-minute candle, and yeah. In case I'm right, I'm gonna be a very good amount in profit. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Yes, we may go lower. I trade with a smaller size, not 5 micro. Now. So okay. So we are looking for a lower move to the downside. That's an interesting day for me. Looks like we may see more and more leg to the downside, but mainly I'm bullish. Okay. Actually, the price looks very tricky to me. I would like to take a buy on gold as well. And probably I'm gonna take a buy, but it's a very dangerous buy. And also on NASDAQ, I don't know, let's see. I may be wrong, I may be right, I don't know. Okay. So gold also may drop lower for some reason. I don't know. Let's see. I enter buy on gold as well. The price may go lower. I don't know. I may be wrong because I'm human and the price may drop lower. But in case it does, you should have a very tight stop loss on gold. My stop loss on NASDAQ is bigger. I may be wrong. I don't know. Let's see. In case I'm wrong, I'm wrong. In case I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Come on, gold. Do your thing, please. I don't like this about NASDAQ, to be honest. Okay, that's good actually. Amazing gold as well. Amazing gold. Amazing gold. I have a kind of euphoria, you know. Wow. Wow. Did you see that? Did you see that? What amazing, guys. Yes. That's how this is a vast trading algorithm, yeah? This was a vast fair value gap. Oh my god. And here's another one, you see? Yeah? This is a vast fair value gap. And this is another vast double bottom, let's say. The price is gonna come lower. I'm increasing my stop, not increasing, but move my stop loss higher. I would put the break even, or at least move the stop loss higher on NASDAQ. because in case I'm wrong, price may drop lower. But don't forget to take halves, because we are humans. Okay, amazing. Okay, amazing. Here it was a very good place to add, to be honest. An amazing place to add here. Okay. Wow, if it drops lower, then that's a tricky one. Yes, it's gonna drop lower, looks like. Yes, I close everything. I closed everything. Okay. The problem what I have with gold now is that we can see the price moving lower. And NASDAQ as well. If my bias about daily is wrong, then this candle should switch bearish. Should change the color. But I hope I am right. Don't forget okay, now we are preparing for a potential buy, guys, or a potential drop. Okay, looks like the 1 hour may see the price go lower, and this means that we may move lower on NASDAQ. We should be very careful. Okay, okay, we are going lower. Okay, okay, yes, we may see the price drop lower. Okay, gold looks the same, looks it's moving lower. Should we switch bias to the downside? Probably, but I will not do it because I don't want to do it. Yes, the price still has room to the downside. Okay, okay. Amazing. Okay. 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 I added shorts in this pullback, but looks like the price is gonna go higher, at least for the next minute. And we may see a bullish closure on the 5 minute. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Okay, so I would like to see this 1 minute to go higher. Much higher. Amazing, amazing. Close halves, break evens. Come on, go higher, brother. I want to see a bullish. Okay, yes. Now you should expect the price to drop lower. Okay, don't forget to put everything to break even, because in case I'm wrong, this is the place where the price is gonna snap lower or higher. Okay. I have a buy from down here. My stop TP is gonna be above it. Don't forget to put the stop loss break even, because in case this 1 minute comes, we is going lower. Yes, if we have a bearish 1 minute candle, we may see the price drop lower, or we may look to add one more buy. And I am probably, should I add? Okay, so we are moving lower probably. Yes, we are moving higher. Let's watch it. I am already break even. In case I'm wrong, then I'm gonna find out now. Because this 1 minute, it can go lower, lower. Okay. So here's a place to add, guys. I added one buy. And I'm gonna do one more add. I added one more buy, and I would like to see the price push higher and go for the highs. Okay, this 1 minute is a tricky 1 minute. I hope it's gonna be a bullish one. Otherwise, I should close everything. Come on, go higher. Take the high on the 1 minute and move higher. Got the buys triggered, but it's a tricky 1 minute. It's a dangerous one, I would say. I don't like it, and the price may drop. Yes, it's gonna drop. I'm gonna close everything now before it's too late. Yes, it's gonna. Yes, the price from here is gonna drop lower, guys, as long as we don't switch. Okay, bullish. Come on, 4 seconds. I close halves in case I'm wrong, because in case I'm wrong, and the price may drop lower. Yes, we should not go lower than the 5 minute body candle. If we go lower, then we are going lower. I'm gonna put my stop loss right there. Okay, okay, okay. So looks like I may be stopped out. Really? Come on, go, move, push. Why are you doing that to me? I hate it. I wanna see this 1 minute to break to the upside. We still have 10 seconds, 8 seconds, and looks like I may be stopped out. And yes, I am stopped out. And I'm gonna switch to 5 minute because I'm not gonna look at the 1 minute. It's too dangerous and too tricky. Okay, dokie. Yes, this 5 minute is gonna be a bearish move to the downside, guys. Should be very careful because I don't know. Yes, we still have. Actually, I wanna take a buy, but I'm gonna take a buy once this 5 minute is gonna close. We are looking for the price to go higher, and looks like it may actually. Okay. Now tell me, how do you call it? Yeah, how do you call it? Tell me, how? Huh? Now this 1 minute should either drop lower to fake it once more, or to break and go higher. Yes, and to go for that daily high. This is what should happen. We either go lower or either going higher. Hee ha ha. Yes, amazing, amazing. Amazing, amazing. What a move, guys. What a move. Yep. Why you don't so music stopped? Our music stopped. Okay. Amazing trade, guys. Wow, what a day. Tell me what a day is this? This is a day of making money. This is a day of making money. This is a day of making money. Money. Okay. Come on. Amazing. I'll be looking for more buys, guys. So amazing, guys. I agree with you. Amazing, I would say. This is very amazing, and I'm gonna look to add more buys right now. I'm adding one more buy. I would like to add even 2 buys. I added 2 more buys, so I added 1 mini. You should be very careful with adding up here, because it's very tricky to add. You should know what are you doing before adding. In case this 1 minute goes lower than this vast fair value gap on the left, and then it goes lower, and we should close everything. Okay. Amazing. Come on, go higher. The problem right now what we have is this 5-minute candle, yeah? And this is a tricky. Yes, it's a very tricky. So I'm negative now. I think to close everything, guys. Yes, I close everything. Oh my god. I added 2. Yeah, I made money from this because I took halves. But and this is a dangerous 5-minute candle. I would say a very dangerous 5-minute candle, because this type of candles are fake out candles. Yeah, it sets you for a buy or for a short, and it goes in different direction. To be honest, I'm tired to take this kind of fake moves on NASDAQ. Everything what you make, you give back. So looks like gold is going higher. It was great buys actually. Once this 5-minute candle closes, I may look to re-enter buys, but we should be very careful. very careful, I would say. I want even now to take a buy, but yeah. We may go lower. Yes, remember your size kills you. The size kills your account. So I had a 35 stop on 2 mini, on 1 mini. That's something. Yeah, congratulations and happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. So looks like this is gonna be my ad. Okay, looks like it's gonna... Really? Yes. I added, and I was stopped out, not stopped out, but I gave around 500 back. I added a buy here, and I'm gonna add one more buy. So you're going lower. Let's go low first, make some money on the downside, and you're gonna give me. Come on, take that low on the left. So we may see a bigger 1 minute candle probably. I don't know. I am adding one buy. I am adding one more buy. In case this 1 minute... Oh, really? Let's see. You should not repeat this because if I'm stopped out, probably it's gonna be a big loss. Yes, it's gonna be a big loss if I'm wrong. But if I'm right, then this is a double bottom. Come on, go higher. So we may see a price go lower from here. Looks like not. I close halves, just risk management decision. This is a kind of a double bottom. You should not repeat this. I was able to do this mentally because only I'm in profit still yet. Yeah, but only thanks to gold, because I made nothing on NQ. I'm, I think, a lot in negative on NQ. I was lucky on gold. I took around 4 mini with a 80 points move to the upside, and shorts as well. But looks like NASDAQ is not gonna give me anything today. Okay, looks like I would like to add one more buy. I added one more buy up here. I want to add more. I added one more. I added 1 mini up here. Come on, don't do that. Okay, so one entry was stopped out, break even. We still have 8 seconds. Okay, I added one more. Really? Stopped out break even. So I added one more buy, but I close everything because we are moving lower. And from all these trades, I'm negative $100. My God, what a move on gold. Amazing move on gold. Okay. So let's go gold. Okay. Amazing drop. Come on, gold, give it to me. Amazing drop on gold. Close halves. No, I'm gonna switch, guys, to trade gold only. People who don't like it, you can leave it, I don't know. But I'm gonna trade only gold today because I'm tired of giving back everything on NASDAQ. So yep, and I'm not gonna touch NASDAQ anymore today. I'm gonna trade gold today only. So yeah. Why? What happened? Yes, I make money on gold and give back everything, not everything, but what I make on NASDAQ I give back. If I make something on NASDAQ, even I may give profits on from my profits on gold. I took a short here, and I think today is gonna be my last day on NASDAQ for a while. I'm not gonna touch any more NASDAQ. Trading NASDAQ is annoying, and I don't wanna trade it. It annoys because you make and give back. I will add a short on gold. Re-enter short actually. Okay, so basically, let's see. Because in case I'm wrong, then the price is gonna go. Let's see. I enter short here, 1 mini. The price can go higher. Definitely. Actually, it can. Yes, it can go higher from here because a higher time frame. Okay. Let's see. Yes, it's gonna go higher, guys. Okay. Come on, close it. I pressed the wrong buttons. It's gonna go higher from here. Probably I should take a buy instead of short. Let's see. Okay. Yes, I took a buy and now it's gonna go lower. But I think the higher time frame, one time frame shade tells one thing, another thing. Let's see how the 1 minute is gonna react here, because if pulls back inside, then it may go lower. Okay. Okay, looks like I was right about switching to the buy side. I'm 22 points. On the mark of 25 points I close halves. Why is closing my whole position? I re-enter buy. I took a buy on gold here, only because I think it may continue higher. But in case the price reverses, then it's definitely from here. You should put a stop loss very small. I put a 16-point stop loss, and I'm looking for a 52 points trade. Okay, so we have 1 minute left. That's not a good 1 minute. Let's see. Yes, looks like we are not done to the downside. We are not done. We are not done. We are not done. Okay, guys, finally we have a buy on NASDAQ. Finally, this is a buy on NASDAQ here. I took a buy on NASDAQ, and I'm gonna add one more. So I added, so I have 1.5 million. So one of my TP got hit on gold. Okay. NASDAQ is a buy. Okay, I'm adding a buy. Amazing. Okay. Okay. If this is not a buy on NASDAQ, then nothing it should be. This 5 minutes should be a big bullish, not big, but at least a bullish 5 minute candle. Really? Oh my god. Oh. I am red. I am red, guys. I'm a red for the day. I'm looking to add one more buy on gold. I have one buy on gold, but I'm gonna add one more. So let's see, and this is gonna be my ad right here. Okay. In case the price doesn't reverse from here, I think this may be just a 5-minute pullback. I'm looking for a trade of, let's say, 1 to 6 at least. I think we are moving higher, but a lot higher. And yeah, NASDAQ looks like it's gonna move to the upside from here, but I don't want to look it, I don't want to touch it. I got back in red because of NASDAQ, and I don't want to touch it. I think I start having PTSD from NASDAQ. This is the worst thing, having PTSD from having fear to trade one asset. Amazing gold. Look, gold is amazing. Yeah, gold is easy to trade. In my perspective, how I trade, gold is easy to trade. So currently I'm $1,000 in drawdown. Yes. I will be looking to add more buys on gold to the upside. We may see the next 30 minutes, we may see not next 30, but after 15 minutes, I would say, we may see the price moving lower on gold, and we may go for 420 level. To I'm already good amount in profit on gold. I have 56 points on one trade and 42 from upper entry. Let's see if it's gonna give me 100 points move from my entry. That's gonna be great. I'll be look to add one more buy. Yep, I'm gonna look to add one more buy up here. And I will add now. And I will add, oh, not now. Okay, so if I close my both trades on gold now, I'll be break even for the day. But I'm gonna close just half. Really? I don't know. But my whole trade got closed because normally I put close half. So let's see, probably in this way it's gonna work. I don't know. So I'm break even for the day, but I will look to take more buys on gold. Okay. You should be very careful this 5 minutes. Because this 5 minute may come all the back downside. Amazing. I re-enter buy on gold. Amazing. Amazing. Wow, what a move. 30 points move. Woo! Okay. Wow. Good, good. So if I'm closing this trade in profit, I'm gonna be very good amount, not very good, but yeah, I'm gonna be out of, I'm already out of red, but yeah, let's see. This is a very good place to add one more buy, to be honest. I'm gonna do it right now. I added one more buy. Yes, we should be very careful from here. The problem what we have is like we may see a drop with gold. Okay. I hope that we are gonna close up here, and it's gonna give me one more leg to the upside, probably to form kind of double top, and then we may see a drop, but I hope it's gonna move to the upside. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, looks like we may see the price drop lower from here. I hope not. We have a very tricky candle and a dangerous one. Yes, looks like we are moving lower. Yes, we are moving lower. We are moving lower. But we had good trades of gold. Guys, I took a buy on NASDAQ. I took a buy up here. The next 30 minutes on NASDAQ are gonna be a strong 30 minutes. We are looking for about, it's gonna put a stop loss lower. If the price comes lower, I am adding. We are looking for around 100-120 points move on NASDAQ. So does gold as well. I am adding one more buy on NASDAQ here. If I'm gonna be red, probably I'm gonna hit the max daily loss today. Yes, probably I will hit the max daily loss. I will probably hit the max daily loss. And it's gonna happen very soon, because from what I see, NASDAQ is dropping lower. Yes. What is gonna save me is the next 5 minutes to go all the back upside, but I don't think it's gonna do it. Let's see. From what I see the price drop, at least for this level. I hope this 5 minutes is gonna go higher. But yeah, I think we should go higher. I don't think we are gonna go lower, and I'm gonna add one more buy. Really? Let's see. Come on, retrace and go higher, you piece of... So I have almost, to be honest, 2.5 mini. Wow! Woo! I got wrecked. I almost topped out with a 750 on 5 trades, and I'm in down 3200. Okay. Yes. I am down today. I hit my max daily loss. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Yes, that's it for today. Okay. Yes, gold looks the same. It's moving to a downside. We are not ready, it looks like, to move higher. As I said previously, when everything looks obvious, then that is the day when is the hardest way to trade, yeah? Oh. Yeah, this is trading, guys. $3,296. Today is my... Wow. And now probably this motherfucker is gonna go higher, but probably, I don't know. Wow. I got wrecked. I got wrecked. And if you look at the 15 minutes, it shows like it's gonna go lower. The 30 minutes as well, but you know, probably it was my ego trying to take money out from NASDAQ, and now I paid for it. I paid for it. I gave back even, let's say, from Monday was red, today was good green, and Monday with today, so I am red on the week. I am red on the week. Yeah. I am red. I don't know what move this was and why, but yeah, it was an algorithm spike of 76 points candle. It happened with me one more time to catch this type of knife. I recover from it, nothing problem. But yes. And looks like gold did the same. Something spiked this, probably a Trump tweet or something else. But yeah. The problem is that I was very heavy on it. I had 2.5 mini on this. And looks like we are moving lower, really? Wow. I think this is the lowest point. Okay. I don't wanna touch it because I may start revenge trading and I may give more back. And I was a very good amount green today. Yes, this is trading, guys, and I would say that's it for today. I'm not gonna stay any more longer because emotionally I'm not stable. Yes, probably it's Trump tweets 3 minutes ago. Yes, I got wrecked, and this month, I don't know. The problem is like the 15 minutes was not ready to go to the upside. The 5 minutes was showed an entry for a short. The 30 minutes as well. It showed that like the price has to go lower first. But I think the problem was my ego. And yeah, this was my ego actually. Because I kept trying to take money, and I'm gonna not trade NASDAQ for the next, I don't know, 2 weeks probably. I'm not gonna look at this and I'm gonna delete it. So if someone wants analysis on NASDAQ, please don't ask me, because you can do it yourself. I'm not gonna touch NASDAQ. I have PTSD today on NASDAQ. And also gold. I may trade yearly gold because it's gold, and on gold you all the time can find trades. Almost every session on gold you have good setups on buys, on shorts, if you know how to trade it. This is a buy on gold. This is probably the lowest point for gold. To be honest, this is a buy. We probably may see one more leg, one more time to the downside, but mainly we are looking for upside move. In case I'm wrong, let's say we break, I don't know, below 410, then we are moving, let's say 412, yeah? If we break below this level, then we are moving a lot lower, and we may see a big bearish daily closure today. because it's not gonna stop on this low and lower than this spike, weak spike. But I think this is the lowest point for gold today, before a move to the upside. I think if you want, you can take a buy here, but you should wait for a setup first, and I think the setup is gonna be in 6 minutes, probably 1 minute. Yeah, around 6 minutes is gonna give a buy. You should expect one more leg to the downside before taking a buy. And yes. Okay. I may be wrong about gold, of course, but let's see. Yes, now you should see an outside bar, guys, forming on 5-minute candle. If you want, you can take a short for a scalp here, but not a very, let's say now, yeah, you can take it for a 50 points short. Okay. In case it goes higher from here, then it goes much higher. Okay. And you should be very careful trading it to the downside. I think it's a short, but also this can be a move to the upside. This can be a big bullish 5-minute candle, because it's gold, and it can do it. I think we need one more push to the downside first. It may not give it, and it may go straight to the upside. Yes, it may go straight to the upside. It may go straight to the upside. Two. Yes, if you want, this is gonna be a trade, a 1 to 4, 1 to 5 probably. I would say 1 to 5, almost, because I think we are moving to the upside. But I think he's not ready yet. We should wait, to be honest. But yeah, I'm not gonna take any more trades. I am locked out. I cannot take any more trades, and yes. Let's look at a daily. Okay, so daily looks interesting today. Yes, we may see a closure on daily lower, so basically it means the price on gold is not gonna go higher. You should wait for this 1 hour closure on gold, and then looking for shorts. I would say yes, but you should be very careful for shorts, because we may see one leg to the upside before it gives shorts. The mainly reason why I think is because this daily is gonna close around this level, and I don't think it can go higher. I don't know. It's kind of tricky now to trade it. You should be very careful. Okay, so looks like the next 5 minutes probably is gonna be a big bullish candle. Yes, looks like. Yes, you're gonna see it. but you should be very careful because it's gonna be only if you wanna look for a safer short, you may look from, let's say, around this level. Well, at least not as me, red. You can recover from that. Yes, okay. So now that looks very interesting on gold, because let's say that I'm wrong about shorts, yeah. This means that this 5 minute and the next 5 minutes are gonna be very, very strong bullish, yeah. But I think it's gonna be a short here, yeah. A stop loss, let's take it not bigger than 30 points on gold. But first you should wait for the next 5 minutes to open. Okay. Okay, looks like it's a too strong closure and it may go higher actually. Oh no, actually it's going lower. Yes, this is a short in case and you can move it on 20 point stop loss actually. You don't need a 30 point stop loss because this is gold and it's gonna move lower. It may go higher, I don't know. But in case it, yeah, in case it goes from here, then it definitely goes higher a lot. Yes. So this should be a stop loss. And now, knowing this, you can look for buys because this is gonna be a crazy 5 minute candle. I would say a big next 2, 3, 5 minutes candle, and probably we may see these highs on the left taken and probably move higher. The reason why I'm saying this, because I think this was just a pullback on a 4-hour candle, and I think the price is gonna go higher, probably break above this level. Yes, this is kind of a good breakout, and when I say that this can be the lowest point for a buy, yes, this was the lowest point and the safest entry for a buy. Of course, you can look now on 1 minute entry, because once gold chooses a direction, it moves like crazy. But you should be very careful. You may see a pullback, yeah, of course now. Okay. Okay. So if you want to enter a buy, you may take it from here, but you should be very careful. If drops from here, drops. Okay. Okay. It may be okay, guys. Anyway, I should not look at the chart anymore. This can be a 5 minute closure, like this one, and the next one drop lower. You should watch it and be very careful. Today is that day, yes, probably. Okay. it was a good buy once the 5-minute candle opened. It gave a 70 points buy. If you took it, congrats. But if this 5-minute candle's lower, then it goes much lower. Yes, anyway, I'm red, and there's nothing to do. You may see a bearish closure, probably a bearish 15-minute, and once the 1 hour closes, you may look for shorts lower, but not much lower, because this week is not gonna allow the price to move much lower, and it's gonna be in a range. So today is gonna be a messy day, New York session. I think London was better to trade today on gold. If I look like this, then gold was in better, a lot better. It gave buys, it gave shorts, if you know how to trade it. So, from a great green day, when I said I should not trade, it looks like I pay for it, and I'm gonna say that's it for today, and see you tomorrow at the same time. Probably I may close a red week, but that's fine for me. I know how to recover, and that's it. Yeah, thank you, and have a good day ahead.